yung okra mo, di ba kanina mo pahiningin?
Why are you asking it? Asking for it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I
Okra? Oh, it's still there.
ate it. No, that's for you.
How many okra did you give? Ate?
2.
3.
Ah, that's why. I thought only one.
I ate 2.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. 2 plus 1, 3.
I'm not
Yeah.
happy.
Yan, mga lasing na sila. Ayan pa, oh.
Not laseng? Umaga na ba?
Umaga pa.
Umaga na ba?
na.
Hindi tanong, umaga na
Laban
ba?
mo ba to? Ba't sinuot mo
Uy, na, gusto ko ito. Di ba Ann
This
Curtis
is
niya
Ka-
ako eh?
this
Ann
is
Curtis.
Arlene.
Diba, Ann Curtis?
Oh, it looks big, pero ba it's it?
No, it's small. It's not big.
Yan ba yung pinakita mo sa akin?
Yes.
Sinigang.
Diba?
Barbecue chicken.
Ginaganon mo pala.
Large yun. Siyempre, I changed the size.
Okay, I thought it's only one piece.
No, there's a lot of size like SM. Or balik ka sa DJ ba? Sinabi mo gusto mo ng ano? Yung silosa.
Bad girl. Kasi
Sige, mag-away kayo.